Hello everyone, this is lesson number 67, HSK 4, and let's continue. This one is quickly repeat our words. 热闹 lively bustling, 森林 forest, 云 cloud, 活泼 lively vivid, 老虎 tiger, 海洋 next one, 寂寞 lonely, 凉快 cool, 广播 broadcast to broadcast, 照 to photo to reflect to mirror, 道 yet actually, 香山 fragrant hill park, 长城 the great wall, 毛 hair wool, 抱 to hug to hold or carry an arm, gun to do to work, and next one 严格 strict 严格 the teacher is very strict with students' requirements. 老师对学生的要求很严格。The teacher to you can say or with 学生的要求 the requirements to students or of students requirement 很严格 very strict。老师对学生的要求很严格 very strict。The company has strict management rules. 公司有严格的管理制度。Company 公司有 very strict 管理制度。制度 you can say like rules or also requirements sometimes. System, regulation, order. So exists you can say system, 管理制度 management system, control system, or management rules also could be. The company has strict management rules. 公司有严格的管理制度 because 管理 is to manage, 制度 is like system, so 管理制度。Next one, 难受 to feel unwell. Uh, uncomfortable, sick, difficult. Because 难 it's hard, show it's here's to bear something. To suffer, to receive, to bear, so very hard bear. I caught a cold and feel very unwell. 我感冒了，觉得很难受。我感冒了，感冒 it's to become sick to sick so 感冒了 I caught a cold 我感冒了觉得很难受 and feel unwell 觉得很难受 and feel very unwell 觉得很难受 he is sick he has sick and feels very unwell lying in the bed 他生病了躺在床上很难受。他生病了，so he was sick，生病了。Also the same as 感冒了，生病了，also the same。躺 is to lie，躺在床上lying on the bed，躺在床上，很难受，and feels very unwell. So he's sick and feel very unwell lying in the bed. 他生病了，躺在床上很难受，很难受。Next one, tongue, a major word for round trips. Tongue. I made a trip to supermarket. 我去超市走了一趟。我去超市 I went to a supermarket. 走了一趟。So, 一趟 you can say major word for round trip. So, to supermarket and back. Right? But I think it's not that much used. 趟。我去超市走了一趟 and you can say did a trip, made a trip. I went for a trip to the supermarket. So also okay. 我去超市走了一趟。Let's see another one. He made 2 round trips to the hospital in 1 day. 他一天跑了2个趟医院。So 他一天 and 1 day 一天跑了。You can say run away. I think he made 2 hospital trips a day. Interesting. So you can say 跑, you can say 走, but 走 is to walk, 跑 is to run maybe. Here's just a bit more faster. 他一天跑了2趟医院。Two round trips, 2趟医院 to hospital. 他一天跑了2趟医院。This one tongue is really a bit difficult to use and not so much to use, to be honest. Next one, 放暑假。放暑假 to go on summer vacation. So 假 is vacation, 暑 is like also summer. 暑假 before we have 寒假, winter vacation. This one is 暑假, summer vacation, and 放 we know it's like to put something, but here's to go on summer vacation. 放暑假 The school will go on summer vacation next month. 学校下个月放暑假。学校 school 下个月 next month 放暑假 go to vacation. 学校下个月放暑假 go to summer vacation. During summer vacation, I want to go to the beach. 放暑假时 during summer vacation, 我想去海边玩。我想去 I want to go 海边 on a sea beach, you can say seaside or just beach. 海边玩 One is to here to play, to spend the time, to have a fun. So during summer vacation, I want to go to the beach. 放暑假时，我想去海边玩。我想去海边玩。有是也是的时候是。Next one, 入口 entrance. The entrance to the park is at the end of the road. 公园的入口在路的尽头。公园的入口 so park entrance of the park 公园的入口在路的尽头。The entrance to the park is at the end of the road. 公园的入口在路的尽头。Here is 尽头 the end of the road, like just you can say tail or end. 尽头 hand, bottom, that end, edge. 公园的入口 because 入 it's to enter, 口 it's like around mouth, but here is like a place to enter. 入口公园的入口 the entrance of the park 在路的尽头路 it's a road 在路的尽头 in the end of the road. 公园的入口在路的尽头。Please enter the museum through this entrance. 请从这个入口进入博物馆。请 please 从这个 from this 入口 enter 进入come in or enter 进入 access to get in go into. So we can see 入 here and 入 here is the same. 入口进入博物馆 museum. 请 从这个入口进入博物馆，博物馆 museum。Next one，排队，排队的 queue up，排队。People buying tickets are queuing up。买票的人在排队。买票的人 ，so people that buy tickets 在排队 are queuing up. So 排队 to so it could be verb, could be also could be a plot. So line up. Queue, this one queue. So could be noun, could be verb. 买票的人 so people that buy tickets, people buying tickets. 买票的人在排队 at the queuing up at the queue 排队。Please queue up orderly and don't cut in line because pi it's a line, right? Row line. 对 it's a group of people. Team line also line. So 排队 it's like line of people. 请有序排队，不要插队。Please queue up orderly and don't cut in line. 请有序，有序 in order, orderly, well behaved, well organized. 有序排队，不要 don't need to 插队。插 it's like to insert. 插队 to insert in order to cut the line, cut in front. 请有序排队，不要插队。Next one, 亚洲，亚洲 Asia. Asia has just the pronunciation 亚洲。Asia has many different cultures. 亚洲有很多不同的文化，不同的文化，文化 culture，不同 not same not same culture。亚洲有很多 has a lot of 不同的文化 not same cultures or different cultures right。亚洲有很多不同的文化，文化。China is one of the largest countries in Asia. 中国是亚洲最大的国家之一。This one at the end, 之一 one of them, one of. So 中国 China 是亚洲最大的国家 the biggest country in Asia, but if we put 之一 at the end, one of the largest, so not the largest. 中国是亚洲最大的国家之一。Let's see. Let's see what we learned today. 严格 strict 严格，难受 to feel unwell 难受。烫 a major word for round ribs 烫。放暑假放暑假 to go on summer vacation。入口 entrance 入口。排队排队 to queue up。亚洲亚洲 Asia Asia。And we have one new idiom for today. 这是什么？ Last time we learned overjoyed beyond expectation. 喜出望外，喜出望外。Today is a new one. 心旷神怡，神怡 refreshed and relaxed. This idiom describes a state of mental and spiritual ease, often in natural setting. Let's see. 心旷神怡。心 is the heart or mind, 旷 open or vast. Very large in size, very great, immense of scope and range. 神 spirit or soul, 怡 pleased or relaxed. 怡 毅然则得. So we just used for some idioms. 毅然则得. So let's read. Walking in the mountains, he felt refreshed and relaxed. 在山中漫步，他感到心旷神怡。在山中漫步。So when he walks in the mountain, 他感到 he feels 心旷神怡。The heart is relaxed and refreshed. 心旷神怡。在山中漫步，他感到心旷神怡。Also one tongue twister. Last time we learned 瞧瞧瞧瞧. Today's a new one. The mouth is the most criminal drug. 嘴嘴嘴嘴. 嘴 it's a mouth. 嘴 the most. 嘴 crime. 嘴 drunk. I think it's already repeated for quite a lot of times, but still, just for practice. 嘴嘴嘴嘴嘴嘴嘴嘴. And see you in the next one.